Welcome. In this lesson, I want to show you how to zip your file or how to save a file as a PDF file. Now, in some of the assignments that we are going to give you, you will notice that the portal does not accept any other file format apart from a zipped file or a PDF file. The reason for this is that we understand that some of these files can be used to store macros, and macro can be used to store virus, and once these files are uploaded on our server, it might activate the virus on those files, and then it will affect the server, and which will cause a breakdown of service. So because we do not want, we try everything possible to prevent a breakdown in service, so we insist that the file you're sending us or as your assignment, the submission of your assignment must either be in PDF format or in zip file. So this video, if you are using sicilianigeria.com website, this is the video that will guide you on how to save your file as either a zip file or save it as a PDF file. So let's assume that you're using a Microsoft application. Let's say, for example, Excel. So from this Excel, after typing the information I want, the next thing to do is to save the file. You can either decide to save it first as the file that it is. If it's a Word file, save it as a Word. If it is an Excel file, save it as Excel. If it's PowerPoint file, you save it as PowerPoint. If it's CorelDRAW file, save it as CorelDRAW. First of all, save it. Save it with a name. Let's say assignment 1. Assignment 1. Now note that this assignment, I'm saving it under this folder called documents. This is documents. Sometimes you will locate it here, you can scroll here and look for it and click on it, but I don't want to save it on document. I like to save my files on the desktop so that I can easily, if the files are important to me, I can easily see them on my desktop as one of the icons, and then from there I can do whatever I want to do with it. So let's choose desktop, or you can go up here and select it. So but here we're saying desktop. Okay, this is the file format. You can click save. The file has been saved as an Excel file on the desktop. Now let's say I want to save it, a copy of it as PDF. So what I need to do is to go here and click on save as. So once I click on save as, all these have saved it before. You can say go to desktop. Once you want to save it at the desktop, now you have a place that says save as type. At this save as type, I'm going to choose Excel workbook box, and then from this type of files, I'm going to look for PDF. This is PDF. Now in computers, you notice you don't have PDF. You will see all the file format that you're seeing here now, but you will suddenly find out that PDF is not there. So if PDF is not there, then you may not need to save as PDF. You may need to zip the file. So that's why after this, now I'm going to show you how to zip a file. So I'll click on PDF, and then I will say save. The file has been saved. This is the file that has been saved as a PDF. It just opened on this one. So let's close it. So let's close the main file. Now when you come at the desktop, see the two files here, assignment 1, assignment 1. But while you will notice that in your computer, in Windows, you cannot save two files of the same type with the same name. I will say it again. In Windows, you cannot save two files of the same type with the same name. So what this means is that as I have Excel file here now as assignment 1, I can't save another Excel file as assignment 1, but I can save another file format as assignment 1, so long as it's not the same type of format. Now if you look here, this one is Excel file. If you position the mouse there, you see Microsoft Office Excel worksheet. Then this one is a PDF file. So let's say you don't have PDF. What do you need to do? Now from the desktop where you have saved the file, if you have saved the Excel file before, just right click there and then look for down here, look for send to. Here says compressed zip folder. Send to compressed zip folder. So what this means is that zip the file. That's what it means. Send it to zip. So once you click on compress to zip folder, you will notice that another folder has appeared here. So I'll click out, or I'll change the name. Sorry, don't mind my computer. Computer has a way of setting these icons differently. Now you can see what I did. The zip file is already there. This is it, assignment 1. So this is the file you're going to attach for your assignments. This assignment 1 is now inside this place. So if there is a virus, it will not run unless I open the file without verifying if there is a virus in it or not. So in this case now, I have zipped this file. I'm going to do it again the second time. So after the second time, if you still didn't get it, I want you to replay this video. So by replaying this video, you will understand how to do this. So press delete. So let's say I want to zip these 2 files together. 2 of them. That means you can zip more than 10 files together, 20 files together, but you must always note the size. So I will highlight both of them. Click like this. You see what I did? This is highlight, or you hold down shift key, control key, sorry. You hold down control key and click on 2 of them. That's also a way of highlighting it. Then right click inside one of them and then go to send to zipped file. So I can now say group assignment OUB. This is it here. Group assignment. And I've saved it. This is it. So this is the file I am going to attach. So when you go to your assignment and you click on upload, so once it tells you to select the file, find a way to locate the desktop where you save the file or where you have zipped the file, and then from there select assignment, the zipped file, and attach it. Thank you. I think this will solve your problem, but if you didn't get it, please go back to the beginning of this video and then replay it as many times as possible until you get it. Thank you.